So this is how you remove the amber of your...
Yep.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Oh! Yo, what is good, YouTube? So if you guys watched the last video, we revealed this masterpiece on the channel. This is Mason's 1997 Ford Ranger, and today we finally have the first mod that we're going to do to this thing, and it's going to be switching out these housings that are cloudy as hell from 97, which would make that whole front end older than me and you.
By a lot.
By a lot. Like 3 whole years. Also, we don't know if the bulb's been replaced or anything, but they're still halogen bulbs. They're dim and they suck. So what we got going on today? Oh damn, you got that shit all set up and everything. Yes, sir. And the earplugs. Gotta have them.
Yeah, bro, those headlights be loud.
Loud ass headlights. So here is our housings. We went with black housings with a clear front and clear reflectors because nobody likes amber. Just completely ruins the look of any truck ever to exist, ever. So these are going to clean up the look of the front end ever so much, and we're going to end up paint matching the front end. We're going to do a whole bunch of stuff to this truck, which it's going to completely change this thing. So these are the old bulbs. Absolutely hideous and disgusting. Damn, they got the gloves.
Yeah, dude.
Buddy, what are you doing with these gloves?
Nothing.
Where were these? Your rear end tight?
Yeah.
These are our switchbacks. Actually, wow. Yeah, I forgot you installed the one on the other side, the broken housing. So here's our switchback versus our original halogen blinker bulb. So amber, not great. So switchbacks are LEDs, white LED when they're running, and then when you put the turn signal on, they turn amber. So it gives it a nice clean look. Damn, look at that big old heatsink on there. So here is our new LED headlight, which is going to be shining through our super clear lens. And it's going to give us all the light in the world that we're ever going to need. So no more dusty, gross lighting from these things, because that is just absolutely hideous. 1997 technology, not it. We are in 2024, so everything must be LED. We're going to be blinding some people.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are.
Blinding the blinds.
Blinding the blinds. So we're gonna get to installing these things. In terms, it shouldn't be too bad. We're just gonna pull these things out and call it a day, really. Get these things out of here. Also, if you guys watched the last video, you guys would see that this thing is absolutely cooked. You can put your finger inside of the blinker bulb on the driver's side, so that is not good. Very bad, no bueno. So we're gonna get to removing these things, and we're gonna show you guys how sick this Ranger front end is gonna look once the new LEDs are in. All right, so we're about a little half of the way done. So we're looking, and this whole entire headlight housing is coming apart. It is unglued. So good thing we bought headlights there, Chief, because yeah. So that's insane. I cannot believe that.
I think the only thing holding it in was it pinched in between the grill.
Yeah, there's literally no adhesive left on this stuff. Yep. That is insane.
And
so
there's not a drip of residue in here.
None. So 97 headlights, not a good idea.
Yep.
Well, you can almost kind of see what it's going to look like. All right, so we are going to get this thing cranked out. I'm going to show you guys the half, and then I'm going to show you guys how exactly we did it on this side, just in case you guys are doing this for yourself. So we're going to get this done and show you guys the result. All right, so after some trial and error, we got the first set of headlights out, and we realized a whole bunch of stuff. So we have to take the grill off, and you know, we gotta unscrew these things, but one of them ended up being stripped, so ended up looking like that. But we got our LEDs in our new clear housings, and they are almost ready to go in. So we're gonna put these things in. All right, so we are losing daytime, so we're gonna continue this video tomorrow. So we got the new headlight housings in. We also got some Subway here. This is actually clean. How much did that cost?
$5.
$5 for that?
Here's to a foot long of happiness.
Oh goodness, that's clean. Let me get some of that. So housings look absolutely incredible. Hold on, we're gonna mock up the grill. So with the grill on, look how much cleaner that is right off the rip. Look at it.
Buddy tweaks.
Yeah, this thing's gonna look absolutely killer. So we're not gonna show you guys how to take this apart, but it's very simple. There's some tabs on the back side. You pull it off, take the blinker off first, and then the headlight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna show you guys exactly how this thing came out with the LEDs fully swapped in, but we're gonna turn the headlights on and show you guys the difference right now.
Maybe we'll tint it tomorrow.
Thank you.
Maybe we'll tint the Ranger tomorrow. All right, let's get these lights on right now. Do it.
Record that.
Buddy, there's no way. Oh, yes. All right, so you can see clearly. Oh, look at the switchbacks in action. Hold on. Hold on. Do it again. Oh, dude. Turn them off. Ah, right. This thing's actually clean as hell. So, you can already tell this thing is super foggy and not very bright, but it'll be good once we
Sorry.
once we finish putting this side in. We're going to show you guys exactly how bright they are. They're super bright already. Actually, you know what? Oh, you broke the housing too. Oh.
You got clears right there.
Yeah, what the heck?
This is custom clears right there.
What am I doing buying these?
So this
Oh,
is how
gosh.
you remove the amber of your...
Yep.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Watch the Duramax. Watch the Duramax.
Duramac eye.
Dude, that thing's a SEMA truck, dude. That's gonna be like 80K. Look at here. Right headlight, super bright. Left headlight, no brightness at all. Insane.
I thought you were standing in front of it. I was like,
Dude,
well, no
look at the
shit.
difference.
Yeah. I thought you were standing in front of it. I was like, obviously it's not bright.
Not doing that.
Yeah.
Stop doing that right now.
No, not.
Stop doing that.
now.
This blinker housing's being super stubborn. It's like loose, but it won't come out. I don't know what we're gonna do to get it out, honestly. Or that. I mean, I guess that works. You know, it's. I think you needed that.
No, not.
Yeah. But oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. All right, so back at the Redneck Randy workshop.
Anywho.
We're doing a clean uninstall of the headlights here.
I'm allergic to Ford. I gotta...
Yeah, that was pretty insane. But you know what? You got to get things done when you got to get things done. So we're cooking along. It's doing just fine. All right, so we got the full ID swap in. We can't see absolutely anything at all, but it looks so much cleaner at nighttime, and it's way brighter. We have a little bit of adjusting to do on the headlights because turn the high beams on real quick. So here's our low beam. That's our high beam. Low beam, high beam. There's a little bit of a problem here. We're supposed to be able to see all the way up there, but they're bright nonetheless. So we're just gonna dial in the adjustment and figure it out. But just at nighttime, driving down the road, this thing looks way cleaner. Oh yep, the rock lights, there they are. So there's the switchbacks, and turn them off, right back to white. So if you guys don't have switchbacks on your truck, I highly recommend them. I have them on my truck, and they are absolutely the coolest thing ever. Do this side. Super clean. Yeah, you can't see anything at nighttime, so we're gonna continue this video tomorrow and show you guys exactly what it looks like in the daytime. But oh, yep.
Sorry.
Way cleaner. You can see the bulbs really through there though because they're clear lenses now, but I think they look fine.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man. I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine.
All right. I just rolled some B-roll, as you guys just seen, and this thing is looking like an absolute unit. Mason aligned his headlights at his house, so we didn't film any of that stuff, but here's the results, man. This thing looks absolutely killer. Switchbacks are working as they should. There they are, working wonders. This thing looks way better than it used to. Absolutely killer, and there's much more to come. It's either that or he's gonna buy another truck here shortly. Who knows what we're actually gonna do. One, two, three Duramaxes, one Ranger. Get a little clip of it with the lights off actually. Turn those off, turn the switchbacks off. Yeah, this thing looks absolutely nuts. Super sick. Definitely clean up the front end a whole bunch. Clear housings, or black housings, clear lens, LEDs with the switchbacks. And the paint is much shinier than it used to be. So, it's all tied together, new wheels. This thing needs a lift, buddy. And a rear end drop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She gets slammed on her nuts, that's what she needs.
No, it's fine. We'll keep it
Drift truck.
drift truck. It's gonna need a motor swap for that though.
It's alright.
Oh god. Yep. All right, with that being said, I'm gonna close out the video here. If you guys want to check out anything else, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, leave a comment on how you guys feel about the Ranger build and how it's going. Mason's gonna be on the channel a whole bunch more now because we have this thing and potentially his next truck, which definitely we are excited for. Duramax. Or are you gonna get a Power Stroke?
We'll see.
Or Cummins turbo diesel.
Yes, sir.
No, we can't have any of that. But with that being said, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.